Hey guys, this is Mr. H again. I am going to do a quick video on how to find the slope when you're given a linear function on a graph. This is from page 5. And also I'm going to look at the final page as well because they're the same. All right, so basically what you're doing here is whenever you're given a line, you're going to use 2 points on that line to find the slope by doing rise over run. I have that up here. And basically all that means is you're going to do the difference in the y values over the difference in the x values. And it has to do in a certain order. Okay, so I'm going to do one example from this, and then I'm going to do 2 examples from the handout. Okay, so let's look at this one right here. So first thing you should notice is, and it really doesn't matter which way you go. You can go up and over, or you can go this way and down. It doesn't matter. The only thing is you got to be consistent. Now, the way I like to think about this is, you live here. Let's say you live here and your best friend lives here, and you want to get to their house, but you can't go through anybody's backyard. So you have to go up and then over. And we want to do it in the quickest and simplest way as possible. So if we start here at this point, we're going to go up 1, up 2. So we rose 2. So that would be our rise. And then we're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. So we ran plus 4. So the slope for this line is going to be 2 over 4, which we can simplify to 1 over 2. So the slope of this line is a positive 1/2, right? And if you look down here, that's what it says. It's a positive 1/2. Now, I'm going to actually go and I'm going to look at a couple of these questions. Now, the one thing about this handout that I didn't really pay attention to is those dots are not quite as clean as I'd like. So you got to be careful. So I'm going to look at number 5 here. I'm going to make this larger. All right, so I'm going to start down here. I usually like to start at the bottom, go to the top. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go up. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I went up 7, so my rise was 7. Now I'm going to run 1, 2, and then I'm at my best friend's house. So I ran a positive 2. So the slope is going to be 7 over 2. It's the rise over the run. And we can't simplify this, so we're done. Okay, now I'm going to go to the CUDA software page that I also put in there. And I'm going to do at least one from here. So which one I'm going to do number 4. All right, so and this one, I'm going to start here and I'm going to go down. So here's where I am, and I'm trying to get to my best friend's house down here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went down 6. So that's minus. I went down. So my rise was actually a negative 6. I went down. Now, how much am I going to run? I'm going to run 1, 2, 3. And when I run 3, I'm running to my friend's house. So the slope is basically a negative 6 over 3, which is the same thing as a negative 2. Now, one of the things you should notice is that this is a decreasing function. So my slope should absolutely be negative. And it is. So that's the slope of this line. It's a negative 2. All right. I hope that this has been helpful. If not, then you got to come talk to me. Come see me. All right. I'm going to sign off.